we made it to Nakoma. It's in a small little town of Portola, nestled in the Sierra Nevada mountains. It's pretty much a big golfing community. There's nothing out here right now, so let's figure out where everyone's at and meet some people. Well, I found everyone, and we are now out on the driving range setting up for a race course. We're going to do a night race tomorrow night, Saturday. We don't have a whole lot of racers here, so we're going to make a pretty tight, small course just for the fun of it. Set up, and then we'll play a little bit. Okay, well, the race course is set up. Yeah, I don't do race courses. Let's just rip a pack. Great sunset. There's a little medium range maiden flight. Met some of the guys out here that came to fly, and we're gonna go to the rec center right now, meet everyone else, get the goodie bags, all that fun stuff, and then tomorrow we're gonna have a little adventure. We are here at Dragon Golf Course out in Portola. Everybody's getting breakfast right now, but we have some golf carts, and we're gonna rip up some of the holes in a bit and then do some long range and then some more shenanigans tonight. It's gonna be a real fun day. And let's go find everyone. They're having breakfast, talk to Skylar, and see what the plan is.
All right, we ready for the mountain?
we're done long range and done in the canyons. We're gonna head back to the golf course, rip up the racetrack, set up a night course, and just good old shenanigans. So let's get on back. All right, I mentioned some drone shenanigans, so here we go. We're gonna play around with some drones and golf carts. Okay, let's try this. This is fucking weird already.
Yep.
My hands do okay because I did. Yeah, I imagine thumbs might be something.
I almost fell off on that one. Everett, go farther away. Go farther away.
I've never driven a vehicle while
And I'll park it up here and I'll let you park.
we should have people race like this.
Oh yeah. No, like the golf people race and then the actual.
Oh, are you parked now?
Yep.
I gotta take a second to not move now. Now I'm changing myself up. I still feel like I'm moving.
I love your eyeballs.
Nailed it. All right, this is the rec room at Nakoma. It's also the spa with the pool. And this is where we're gonna be hanging out, building, tweaking, tuning, fixing things for the next adventure. But we're also gonna play with our tiny whoops and tiny hawks a little bit. So let's do some hot laps before everybody gets here. Two is at an end, and what a fun day. We did some long range, some canyons, rode around in a golf cart while I flew. That was crazy. Some tiny whoop actions. What a really fun night. Unfortunately, I won't make it for Sundays due to personal conflicts, but I'll be back Monday, and I'm gonna try and take some of these guys to some local spots. So, as you can see, we are four-wheeling. They all got rentals, but I got a truck, so it's all good. We're on the lookout for some cliffs today. Most of the people have left and have gone home, but we got a couple more around, and I love showing them all the local spots. So we're gonna check out some cliffs and some waterfalls, maybe a meadow. Not sure how much time we have, but we're gonna have an adventure, so join me. last stop for the Nakoma trip is Weber Falls. I figured I'd bring everyone here since they're flying out of Reno and some of them are staying in Truckee. There's still water going and there's some ice out there still, so that should make for some cool shots. And there they are out on the peninsula. Let's go check them out. We are all done down here at Weber Falls, but before I leave you, I'm going to give you some of the faces of flight. Thank you to everybody I met over the weekend, and everybody I hope to meet on my next adventure. Keep ripping packs.